and welcome to this video. I am going to be going over the ingredients for a Star Trek inspired uh, makgeolli. I am a big fan of Star Trek, especially Space Nine. And one of the things they did is they went deep into the Klingon culture and stuff. And I wanted to do like a blood wine thing. So I went on to see if they had any recipes or anything on the internet, and what I came across is a bunch of mixed drink concoctions, which may or may not be good. So, what I did do is, however, in my research, come across one of Jeff's videos on using black rice to make makgeolli, which gave me an idea. And while I was pondering that idea, I came across another one of Jeff's videos in which he used acorn powder or starch for his juke in his makgeolli. So those things gave me the idea of doing a Star Trek themed makgeolli, or basically a Klingon makgeolli, blood makgeolli, whatever you want to call it. From the descriptions and other research I did, the oat or the acorn starch and the black rice should work well together. They should ferment really well. I'm going to be using 2 kilos. This is, 1 kilo brick, but I got 2 of these bricks of black rice. And I'm going to be using, this is basically going to be a 3-stage makgeolli. I'm going to mix, this is 8 ounces of acorn starch. I'm going to be mixing it with 8 ounces of regular potato starch. I'm going to do 2 half and half stages of juke. Then my third stage is going to be my rice. It's going to be an interesting process for those people, because this video is going to be cross-posted on both my brewing channel and my nerd comic book random musings YouTube channel. I'm going to have to go into a little bit on makgeolli for those people that are subscribed to that channel, who are not subscribed to the brewing channel, to get a better idea what makgeolli is. Makgeolli is basically a Korean rice alcohol. You call it a rice wine or a rice beer is to greatly oversimplify it, I guess, or maybe make it overly complex. It's a rice alcohol. It's a very good rice alcohol. It is made with basically yeast, naruk, which is a mold that grows on rice cakes that contains a enzyme called amylase, which breaks down your starches in your rice into simple sugars so your yeast can digest them into alcohol. This is the naruk I use. It's the easiest for me to get. Unfortunately, these bags come in, they're 200-gram bags, which you can see that's a lot of naruk. Luckily, though, they are resealable. I haven't opened this one yet, but as you can tell, there's this here. So once I open it, I can reseal it and keep my naruk fresh. And plus the naruk has certain characteristics that add a unique flavor, body, and taste to makgeolli. It should be interesting to see how this comes out. Using black rice, I should get a dark purple, almost Venus blood type looking liquid. I'm going to do a light washing of my rice, where you normally, if you're using sweet rice to make a traditional makgeolli, you would wash it really good, but I want to retain as much of the liquid and as much of the dark from the rice that I can in order to have that color, have that unique color, have that uniqueness to it. Like I said, this is Star Trek. Star Trek, actually, technically correct pronunciation because Star Trek is kind of a lazy way of saying it. But hopefully, in the next week and a half, we can get this project off the ground and get rolling. So, everyone take care. Until next time, better brewing, peace, and love.